Hello, good morning all of you. I welcome all of you to the lecture of Bachelor of Computer Applications. In today's lecture, we will see the pathways of computer application. Is it visible to you? Yes, is this presentation visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In previous some lecture we have discussed about video conferencing, audio class conferencing, as well as some internet protocols. And now let me start to telepresence. What is telepresence? Telepresence refers to a set of technologies which allow a persons to feel as if they were present, to give the appearance of being present, or to have an effect via telerobotics at a place other than their true location. Now you know I am here and I am delivering a lecture with the help of technologies. Similar kind of technology if we use to deliver the lectures from my voice without my presence, and I will show my location is here, then that will be telepresence. Means instead of me there will be robo, and robo will answers to your question, robo will deliver lectures. Sometime we call to the call center, and first from call center we get a voice from the robo, recorded voice. Means select your language, and if you want to find the data in your mobile phone, then press 1, then press 2, then press 3, likewise. That is the telepresence. Some lady or gents gives the answers from the recorded voice from not a truth location, from a different location, but it is looking like we are getting the answer from the call center, we are getting from the answer from the Mumbai, likewise. This is the telepresence. Presence requires that the user's sense be provided with such stimuli as to give the feeling of being is that other location. Additionally, user may be given the ability to affect the remote location. In this case, the user's locations, moods, actions, voice, etc. may be sensed, transmitted and duplicated in a remote locations to bring about this effect. Therefore, the information may be travel in both direction between the users and the remote locations. As you are user, suppose you want to ask detail about your mobile phone to the mobile company. From mobile company you will get some answers, but there may be a video of a person's, he will give answers to you, but that will not be a true person's, that may be a robotic recorded persons. From your side also you can ask the questions to him, and he will provide you the related informations. That is the telepresence. What is telepresence? Telepresence, a popular application, is found in telepresence video conferencing, the highest possible level of video telephony. Telepresence via video deploys greater technical sophistications and improve the fidelity of both sides and sound, that is traditional video conferencing. Video conferencing we can use for telepresence, but from other location. From your side you will be personally there, but from the other side, from the responsive side, there may be a robo, there may be a recorded voice, there may be a recorded video for that conference. Technical advancement in mobile collaboration have also extended the capability of video conferencing beyond the boardroom for with handheld mobile devices, enabling collaboration independence of locations. So the telepresence robot can be also considered for social interaction during the pandemic crisis such as COVID-19. The recent publications by Tully et al. This telepresence is used, robotic is used to give the answers to the persons who are suffering from the COVID-19 related activities. Their video is recorded, but by calling video to that system you will get the detailed information. You may see various advertise on the television related to the COVID situations. These are also telepresence. What does internet telephony means? Is there any doubt regarding telepresence? Are you understood telepresence? Are you understood telepresence? Yes.
Oh, sir,
Yes,
repeat
sir.
again one more.
If you have any doubt regarding telepresence, you can ask.
सर एक वेळेस रिपीट करून सांगाल का? अबे कुत्ते
Hello, is it visible to you? Yes, is this presentation visible to you?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
We are talking about the telepresence. Telepresence means from one side there will be person, from other side there will be system or robot or any electronic technology, electronic device or technology that will answers to the user, answers to the persons. That is the telepresence. If you have any question regarding this, you can ask. You have 1 minute. Else we will move
Hey,
towards
Kalla.
next point. Don't unmute yourself. I can find you. Don't unmute yourself and don't interrupt to the lecture. Next is the what is telephony. Now just we have seen the telepresence, but this is the telephony. Telephony is the internet. Telephony is a type of communication technology that allow voice call and other telephony services like fax, SMS and other voice messaging applications to be transmitted using the internet as a connection medium or software under the technology is cost effective and convenient because it allows the users to communicate through the fax, voice and video calls anywhere in the world as long as there is internet connection. In this way, users are able to bypass the charges that are common in traditional telephone services. That is the telephony. Telephony means the call using the internet, like Skype call, like voice call using Google Hangout, using Facebook chats, or like our low cost softwares. Team, Microsoft Team. Now we are using the Microsoft Team, and through that I am talking to you. This is the conferencing, video conferencing, but similar type of technology we can use for calling purpose, for telephony. Telephony means the telecalling with the help of internet. There some communication technology required to communicate, and we can bypass the charges. Suppose we want to call to the US. For that we can call through the normal phone, but there are various charges for calling that. With the help of Skype, with the help of Google, with the help of Yahoo's applications, we can call there with low cost. However, the quality of this service is not as good as that traditional circuit switches network using the traditional telephony services, because it is dependent on the quality of speed of the internet connections. From voice call we can directly call to the person, and there is no many technologies used in that connection. But through the internet we are depends on the internet connections. We are also depends on the service provider to the networks from both the ends, from receiver ends as well as from the source end. Both end require a good quality of network, then that call will be a good quality of call. Otherwise that will not a quality of call. Than that, the circuit switches network traditional call is good. Internet telephony is also called as IP telephony or broadband telephony. Do you have any doubt regarding telephony? Yes, all of you understood telephony?
Yes, sir.
So we will move towards next point, that is social networking. What is social networking? Social networking is the use of internet based social media sites that stay connected with friends, family, colleagues, customers, or clients. Social networking can have a social purpose, a business purpose, or both. Through the site like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, social networking has become a significant base for marketers seeking to engage customers. Despite some stiff competition, there is huge competition in these social networking softwares, but Facebook remains the largest and most popular social network with 2.8 billion people using the platform on the monthly. As December 31st, 2020, it was followed in order of popularity by Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, and Pinterest according to the Statistica. You can see in Statistica in Google, you will get the popularity of the software, which is the most popular software. Facebook is the most popular software. Statistica analyzed in December 31st, 2020. There were 2.8 billion peoples connected to the Facebook social media software. The key takeaway: social networking is the use of internet-based social media platform to stay connected with friend, family, or the peers. The most popular social networking site in the US, including Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, the marketer use social networking for increase the brand recognitions and encouraging the brand loyalty. Social media can help connect people and business and help promote the brand awareness. There are disadvantages related to the social media, including the spread of misinformation and the high cost of using the maintaining social networking profiles. Social networking involves the development and maintenance of the personal and business relationship using the technology. This is done through the use of social networking sites such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. These sites allow people and corporations to connect with one another so they can develop relationships and so they can share the information, idea, and messages. This is totally based on the users. Users, if cooperate to the social media, then we can perform the businesses with the help of social media softwares. There may be a fraud, there may be a misinformation, and it is difficult to maintain the profile on social media. If we are suppose a businessman and want to sell our product is very popular, and we have not updated our profile on social media properly, which is the product is lag behind from our product, that can be overcome to us if we not updated our social media account, our social media profile. Family members who are far apart from remain connected through the personal social networking sites like Facebook. They can share photos and updates on things that are going on their life. People can also connect with other, notably strangers who share the same interest. Individuals can find each other through the groups list and use the hashtags. With the help of social media, we can find the immediate connections, we can find the immediate situations. From suppose US, our relatives are living in the US and how they are looking like, how are their family events going on there, how they are participated in the social works, how they are doing their family developments. Like suppose they built up their house, we can find from India US house with the help of social media. So we can connected with each other with the help of social media, as well as we can use their hashtags. Social networking involves the development and maintaining the personal and business relationship using the technology. How social networking work? This is done through the use of social networking sites such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. These sites allow people to cooperate, to connect with others, so they can develop relationship and so they can share the information, idea and messages. Social networking is commonly used by marketers so they can increase the brand recognition and encouraging the brand royalty, since it make a company more accessible to a new customer and more recognizable for existing customer. Social media marketing help remote brand voice and content. Like suppose which type of clothes were we wear, that can find by the company, by the brand, with the help of social media. Suppose I wear Raymond's shirt and I have taken a picture and uploaded on my profile. It will be known to the company this person like such type of clothes, so they can promote their advertise according to our interests of the cloth and send us to in our inbox, in our email, in our connected technology to the Facebook. So for example, a frequent Twitter user may hear a company for the first time through a news feed and decide to buy a product or services. The more exposed people are to a company brand, the greater the company chance for finding and retailing new customers. With the help of Twitter, we can find the new customers by using the hashtags related to our products. So people are using the social networking for business purpose also. Marketers use social networking as a way to improve the conversations rate. Building a following provides access to and interaction with new, recent and old customer. Share the blog post, images, videos or comment on social media, allow followers to react, visit the company websites and become a customers. Customer can find the detailed information from the websites, but some of the information, suppose we have sent on the Facebook related to our company, suppose we want to buy a bike like Royal Enfields, then how it's look, how their features, we can try to find on the social media. If there we got some pictures, some related information and links, then through that links we can reach to the company. So marketers are using such type of technology, such type of social media for a marketing purpose. A special consideration. What is special consideration in this? There is not a one size fit all approach to marketing strategy. That is because every business is a unique and has a different target, demographic, history and competitive marketplace. So because of social networking, company want business to pay their advertising companies other restrictions, the number of reach businesses may receive through the unpaid post. For example, if company has 50 followers, followers may not allow receive the same post. The constantly evolving nature of the social networking make it challenging to keep up with a change and also influence the company marketing success rate. So we have to change the we have changed the profiles, as well as we have to accept the challenges of the people are not interested to find again and again same post, so they required new post, new things from our side. As a marketers, we have to consider these special things. Advantages and disadvantages of the social networking. Social networking has the ability to affect both individuals and corporate, both positively and negatively. That's why it is important to weigh out both the advantages and disadvantages of using these social media sites. Suppose some product not like to the user customer, this customer can send their feedback on the social media and damage our names, our product's name, our company name. So we have to consider advantages, disadvantages of our product and fastly give the customer satisfactions, report customer satisfactions to the customer. What are the advantages in social media? As mentioned above, social networking allow individuals to keep in contact with family and friends they would otherwise not be able to connect with because of distance or because of the simply lot touch. People can also connect with other individuals who share the same interests and develop a new relationship. What are the advantages? From remote places, suppose our relatives are not in our touch, we can connect with them with the social media, as well as from the social media we can make a new friends, new networks. These are the advantages. And social networking also allow company to connect with a new existing client. For connect to the client, company can use this, and they can also use the social media to create, promote and increase the brand awareness. They also rely on review and comment on their client. The more customer post about the company, the more valuable brand authority becomes. This is lead to more sales and high ranking in search engine. Social networking can therefore help establish a brand as a legitimate, credible and truthworthy. So the social media is widely used by the marketers, by the company to reach to the clients and to make our product famous. Our product will be brand, our product will be famous if we spread it in all the social medias like Instagram, Facebook, Telegram and all. A company may use social networking to demonstrate its customer services level and enrich its relationship with customer. For example, if a customer complain about a product or services on Twitter, the company may address the issue immediately, apologize and take actions to make it right. Company, we know company becomes from the group of peoples. There is one manager can't work on the product, manager don't know the quality of the product, is all products are going in a good direction or not. With the social media they can know. With the social media, customer will send the messages if there is a complaint related to the product, and that's directly complaint get to the managers, and their managers employee team members are working not good. He may know that, and he will give the punishment to them and tell to them to improve the quality of the products. These are the advantages, and these are some disadvantages. Social networking can have a big impact on the spread of misinformation. We know this, and it can spread like a wildfire. This because increasing the prevalent after 2012. This information start as a rumors which spread faster and fact. One study found that misinformation is 70% more like to the share than factual information on Twitter. 70% information is fake, misinformations. So we have to find this misinformation, because these are the disadvantages of the technology, and we may suffer by this. Networking on social media can have just much of the determinant impact on the company. criticism of the brands can spread very quickly on social media. This can create a virtual headache for company public relational departments. Suppose we have sent the image of new mobile phone on the company sites like this. People will try to criticize, this phone is very big, this become hot, this its camera is not good, its memory is not good, its speed is not good, like that. And it will become headache to the company because the negative publicity is maybe going on the sites. So these are the disadvantages of the social networking. If you have any doubt on the social networking, you can ask me question. Although the social networking itself is a free, building and maintaining a company file takes hours each week. Cost for those hours and add up quickly. In addition, business needs many followers because the social media marketing campaign started generating a positive returns on the investment. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask. Yes, do you have any doubt on social networking, social media? If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. Otherwise, we will stop here. Those who are seated in comfort, they can start their camera so I can see you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. Otherwise, we will stop here.
हॅलो सर.
Yes.
सर याची पीपीटी तुम्ही अपलोड केलेत का टीम्सवर?
Yes, I will upload it.
टीम्सवर का सर?
हो. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.